Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Academia espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the grinder. This one that you see right here basically just broke and snap off. This thing is supposed to be attached in here, and it just basically just snap off completely. And it was no longer grinding anymore as well. It would just try to grind a bit, and then it would just give the machine an error. So we had to replace the entire thing, calibrated to the machine itself. And right now we're using our test coffee, and we're using the middle setting of the grinder, so we can still either go coarser or finer. I'm gonna make sure we're on the espresso sign over here. I'm gonna pull down the spouts just a little bit. Machine has already grinded coffee, and now it's going to do the pre-infusion as well as the extraction phase. We'll push it just a little bit of water to do pre-infusion, just like you see it like that, and then it will push the coffee itself, as you see, right on the spouts. This machine delivers approximately 2 ounces of espresso, so it should stop around there. And as you can see, nice crema. Even though we're using our test coffee and it's a bit old, we had a nice crema on that espresso shot. Looking good. Looking great. We're also going to be testing the hot water and steamer function of the machine. We unfortunately do not have the carafe of the machine, so we will not be able to use any of the latte macchiato, or cappuccino functions of the machine, since we will need the carafe itself to actually do it. Right now the machine is heating up the second thermoblock, the steam thermoblock that is located on the back of the machine. Once it gets up to temperature, the secondary water pump that is located on the right side of the machine will start pushing water from the tank, and it will just distribute it all the way to this one right here. As you can see, steady stream coming out from the one. Excellent temperature as well, working great. Going to stop it as well, and then we're going to switch to the steam function. And again, the thermoblock needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, that little water pump will start pulsing, and it will show us, it will send water to that steam thermoblock, where we're going to see the steam coming out from the one. There you go, steam thermoblock is getting up to temperature. The steam is increasing as well, and as you can see and hear, steaming correctly. Nice steady steam, excellent pressure, great temperature, working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Gaggia Academia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.